Wow, they're all so different. Their voices are so unique and they feel so different to play. This one is, you get so much feedback from it. This one is, super powerful. And you really feel it. You really feel the lips. It feels strong to play. It feels like a dagger. Feels like you could sing with this one. The inhalation effect with this one is really smooth. And this one, this is like an all-rounder. It's got so much going for it. In like the band of frequency with this one is much bigger than I expected. So yeah, they're all amazing. So blessed to receive these tools. And yeah, check out Babcourt, the Harpery on YouTube, and yeah, I'll drop some links below. Check them out.